Hi guys, we are gifted this security system from the seller so we can show you all its cool features. I currently have a standard DVR with the BNC, wires going out to each camera, which is a hassle because you have to wire that through your attic. And this new system is all wireless. It does have two cameras per, two feeds per camera, one that's stationary and then another one that moves.
Let's go ahead and look inside.
All right. All right, in the first box, we have the little DVR part that has an HDMI plug, so we can plug that in the back of the TV. It does have Ethernet, if you want to do Ethernet connection there, and power. It also has an instruction manual. We have a mouse in here, so that's nice, so you can control that on your TV screen. It also comes with the power cord and a bunch of screws to screw in all the cameras. Okay, we have 4 cameras in these boxes. Let's open them up and see what they look like. All right, here they are. Like I said, they have the standard camera and then one that moves. It also comes with a power cord with your standard power plug. And this end, it has the power adapter. I bet I'll be able to use the power wire that I already have ran to those standard cameras. So I don't have to have power out by the camera. So let's go check that out. I'm going to go install this and then we'll show you some footage of what it looks like on my TV after it's installed. All right, I installed all 4 cameras. I lucked out. I was able to use the same power cable that I had from my old BNC real not good video camera system DVR that I had. And so I was able to use that connection right here that was already for my old camera system. So then I could just put the power brick inside by my TV and the new DVR to power this. So that made installation really easy. I like that this camera has 2 video feeds. So you got that one that's stationary right there, and then that other one moves. So let me go show you the app and the DVR and the TV setup inside. All right, guys, I wanted to show you the app. It was very easy to do. You just click this plus mark on the upper right hand corner and you add the device. So you can see I have all of my cameras added and I also have the DVR added. So if you wanted to watch all 4 at one time, then you can just click on the DVR part and it will load up the feeds. So this app is pretty easy to use. Okay guys, it's a very small DVR. I got it just sitting right here. I velcroed it behind the TV mount, and then these are the old cables that I told you about from my old DVR. And I don't need the video obviously anymore, but I did use the power cord, so that was handy. Let me show you what it looks like on the TV. This is what it looks like on the TV because each camera has 2 video feeds. You'll see the 2 pictures, one that's stationary, and then I have it on tour where it'll automatically zoom or where it'll automatically rotate around, and it's also set so if it sees somebody then it'll follow them. So I'm gonna go walk out there and we can see that feature.
Okay, as you can see, he's coming into view of the camera. It is moving. It is adjusting to him walking. So it's following his motion, as you can see. You can see he's moving, and everywhere he goes, it just follows him, the camera.
I just wanted to show you the night vision here. It looks pretty good. All right, there you have it. We have it all installed. It looks great. We love this new DVR. It does have an optional cloud recording feature if you want to pay for that, to store your footage offsite on the internet. It does have a 500 gig hard drive in it, so it'll store many days of continuous recording. So if you want to upgrade your camera system and get away from that old BNC analog grainy looking video, go ahead and upgrade it to this new wireless system. All it needs is power and your Wi-Fi and you're all set. So if you guys need a system like this, go ahead and get this one. Thanks.